In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your YouTube Wrapped 2025, and that's about your YouTube Recap 2025. Now, to see your YouTube Wrapped 2025, you need to open the Chrome or any of the web browser that you are willing or you are frequently used to, and in there you need to search for youtube.com/recap, and after searching for that you will get a notification or you will get a prompt that are you willing to see your YouTube recap 2025, and then you can click on yes. After that it will open your YouTube app or otherwise YouTube Studio like this in the Chrome, and from there you can see your history, playlist, watch list and the liked videos and even more about your YouTube which you've been used in 2025. And this is how you can see YouTube Wrap 2025 basically, and this is so simple and very easy. This is YouTube Recap 2025. Thank you.